your boards to build what we call a landing page. Now we're going to show you we showed you how to set up a page, but then we want to connect them to a landing page. And what I do when people want to find out more information about the drops, I'm going to send them this page right here. And what I did is just create a simple page. And what I'm having here, I'm just going to go ahead and edit that just as learning purposes anyway. So I do need to change one thing on that. Change that to 4 weeks. And voila. So what you want to do is create a landing page where people can go get more information. When people are asking about the drops, what they'll do is they'll go to a page when it says lost 17 pounds in 4 weeks using these amazing drops. Post a picture. I'm just using this as an example, not my best picture, but Michael Mikovich, let my experience of losing, and change that also of 170 pounds now. Well, quote, lose 160 pounds and counting to help you. Let's transform lives together. And then, I just have a little, kind of like a picture that says homeopathic body balance drops. Let this do the explaining for you. Do not have to tell it to people. You don't have to explain. Here are the advantages. There you go. Boom. And then what I do is I put a video on here. And I just click on, they can watch Slender Eyes and the AccelerX. And then they can also watch the Advantage quick video. And if there's, and then what I'll do is just do a quick testimony. Do something like this, post a picture. And then what you want to do is just have it reach me on Messenger, or you can call me 318-505-7387. Put your information on there so people can be aware of how to get a hold of you, whether it's instant message, whether it's text, whether it's WhatsApp, but have all your information ready. And again, if someone wants more information, all you have to do is go back into your boards here, and then you just go up to the EGW board. And then all we have to do is remember the system of growth, Ann teaches us. We just go through there. Remember, we got text scripts for drops. We got drop talk tools. We got all sorts of things. So if someone says, I got diabetes, okay. You got diabetes? No problem. What if I have diabetes? You just simply just go there. You could do it this way. You could either click, and then you can send it to their name or number and just send that information to them. Or you could just copy it. And so you have a way to just click. So you could copy this too, or you can just forward it to them right here and forward whoever in the mail. Or if you're going, just say I'm going to send this to Mom. Mom wants to ask a question about diabetes. Just click that. I would just click Mom and send it on their way. So you have everything at your feet. The most important thing is to learn how to use your boards. Use your boards to also introduce people into the program. Now, I am making a page now. Also, if people, let's just say people go to my website. I have it forwarded to a domain, and it's mikemicko.fit. And I'm not, trying to but just to show you example. So I'll either have, people come to my board. They'll say, watch our weight loss presentation. Then I can tell a little story about myself. I lost over 160 pounds, blah, blah, blah. I do a testimony. We'll do a testimony page, have a picture of me, CJ, Tanya, yourself, and what kind of results you have. So let me just show you that way here too. Since I got this on the line. Why are people having great success with these drops? Okay. So here's a picture of me, and then it said in 3 weeks, I'm back into my favorite jeans. There's Tanya. And then there's a testimony. And then I give them more information, find out more information to order your combo. Click here. People who click there. and it takes you right back to that page again. So I'm going to be training people on boards. It's easy, very easy to set up. If you can cut and paste, you can build a page. And we're going to use this. And this converts very, very well. So let me know if you need some help with boards. We'll do a training next week on how to set one up. It's going to be a little more detailed, and it will probably be in different video sections, so I don't lose anybody's attention all at once. Okay? All right. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon.